If you've stumbled across xflaz.com, and you're wondering whether it's a hidden gem in the crypto space or just another slick scam, you're asking the right question, and what I uncovered might make you think twice before trusting it with even a single dollar. On the surface, xflaz presents itself like a professional crypto trading platform, offering popular coins like Ethereum, Solana, and Binance Coin. The layout is clean, the language sounds technical, and it seems to promise everything a legitimate exchange would, but once you dig deeper, the cracks begin to show fast. First off, they throw around heavy security terms like ISO certification, SOC2 compliance, and PCI DSS, but offer no verification, no certificates, and no transparent explanation of how they meet these standards. It feels more like they're using buzzwords to build fake trust rather than actually providing protection. That's a major red flag for any platform handling financial transactions. Digging further, I found that their domain was only registered on May 2, 2025, which means this platform is brand new, with absolutely no proven track record or trading history. That alone doesn't make it a scam, but when combined with the next findings, it paints a clearer picture. Much of xflaz's design and website text seems to be copied directly from known scam platforms like YagToken and GefaCoin, including similar layouts, phrasing, and even fake partnerships. Speaking of which, xflaz boldly claims affiliation with big names like Andreessen Horowitz, Paradigm, and Kronos. But none of these firms have publicly acknowledged any connection. In fact, they're frequently used by scammers to give an illusion of legitimacy. When I checked out their reviews on Trustpilot, I wasn't surprised to find a concerning 2.8-star rating, with multiple users reporting extremely shady behavior, hacked social media accounts, missing funds, and suspicious $300 activation fees required just to access basic account features. That's a textbook scam tactic designed to extract money before any service is actually rendered. What's more, xflaz has zero meaningful presence on Reddit or other community forums, which is unusual for any real crypto platform in 2025. There's no discussion, no user base, no transparency, just a ghost platform hiding behind a slick interface. Overall, while I won't tell you outright that xflaz.com is a scam, I will say that it shows nearly every warning sign of one. And unless you're prepared to take a serious risk with your money, this is one platform I'd recommend steering clear of. Always do your research and don't let professional-looking design or big promises fool you.